So what's the hook of this video? Oh, Entryway shoe storage solution. Hello friends, welcome back to the Blue Row House, and thanks again for stopping by and watching. And yes, what is my hook for today? Entryway shoe storage solution. Well, after watching so many videos here in YouTube and finding a way to store my shoes, I do not want to see the shoes like on a rack. I am just done with it. So I finally encountered this video about using IKEA products. The IKEA throne cabinet, which I used in my bedroom where I store some things here and there, but I never thought about, oh, I can store shoes too. And I was also concerned about the aesthetics of the living room, since my living room is quite small, and then I have white, I have like different colors here and there, so I wanted to like look like serene and kind of like clutter-free. So yeah, I got the solution, which, I mean, everybody has found the same solution, right? But again, this is my journey in organizing and making my little Blue Row house, you know, look cute and beautiful and clean and clutter-free, and making it my happy place. So let's go ahead and see the before and then the process. I am not gonna show you, you know, the whole honcho mancho, because there's like so many videos out there, but you know, just to see like a small transition, kind of brief and short process, and then the end result. I am just very happy with it. And again, if you are new, just don't forget to give a like and subscribe, so it will help the channel to reach to other people that would like to see these kind of videos. Thanks again. Good morning, friends. So the day came and I am going to disappear this shoe kind of like issue. And yeah, I went to IKEA and got the Thrones shoe cabinet, and I am so excited that I'm not going to see those shoes exposed. And all the shoes, well, some they're going to be put away. I am going to place this cabinet. I'm not sure if I'm going to use the two of them, so I'm going to play by ear. I might probably install only one, which fits perfectly in that corner, and I am going to take you to see the process.